Hey guys, welcome to Geeta's Kitchen. Today I'm going to share the recipe of how to make instant rice sevai, and I'm going to make in two varieties. One is coconut sevai and the another one is lemon sevai. So this is basically a rice noodles guys, and this brand is the best 777, and you will get in all the Indian groceries shop. So yeah, so let's start the recipe. So here I'm going to make one packet of this sevai because I'm going to make two varieties. One is the coconut and one is the lemon. So I'm going to add this one in this bowl. So can you see guys, the noodles, it will look like this. What I'm going to do, I'm going to add the hot water into this. Then only we will get the soft noodles. If you want to know guys, they have all the instructions how to make. Can you see the lemon sevai, the coconut sevai here, and we can make different varieties of this one. And this is a very healthy recipe and you can prepare in under 5 minutes. So let's start. So I'm going to add the hot water into this. So into this I'm going to add some hot boiling water. We have to cover these noodles with this water. And into this I'm going to add little bit of oil so that it won't stick to each other. So I added 1 teaspoon of oil and I'm going to cover this one with the lid. So after 5 minutes you can see by yourself that this noodle will absorb all the water and they will become very soft. So I covered this one with the lid. So the first sevai that I'm going to make is the coconut sevai. Here I'm adding 2 tablespoons of oil, and when the oil becomes hot we have to add some mustard seeds, and when the mustard seeds he started spluttering we have to add the urud dal. It gives a crunchiness in this dish. Some chana dal, some curry leaves, and the hing powder, and I'm going to add this grated coconut into this, and I'm going to fry this one. So we have to fry this coconut until the raw smell gone from the coconut and it becomes light brown in color. So can you see? And in this you can add the peanuts also, that is the moofli or cashew nut, anything. And I'm adding some salt as per taste. Don't add too much salt. In this for this recipe we need only little bit salt. So can you see how it absorbs all the water? So can you see how it absorbs all the water, and it's nicely done guys. What I'm going to do, I'm going to add this sevai into this. So I'm not going to add all the sevai. So I added these rice noodles into this, and I'm going to mix this one along with this coconut and everything. And into this I'm going to sprinkle some sugar. Don't add too much sugar. Little bit of sweetness in this dish. So yeah, coconut and sugar is the best combination. So yeah, so my coconut sevai is ready, and I'm going to transfer this in the bowl, and we will make the lemon sevai. So for the lemon sevai I'm using the same kadai. Here I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of oil, and when the oil becomes little bit hot we have to add the mustard seeds, same everything same, guys. The urud dal and little bit of chana dal and some fresh curry leaves. So I added some hing powder also, and into this I'm going to add the haldi, that is the turmeric powder. So I switched off the flame, guys, and it's time to add the fresh lemon juice into this, and my lemon sevai is ready, and I added some salt also as per taste. So yeah, and it's time to put it in the container. So my two dish is ready, guys. Each dish will take only 5 minutes, and you can prepare only one dish also. That is up to your choice. So yeah, so this is the quick video of how to make lemon sevai and coconut sevai for breakfast or for kids lunch box at your home. See you soon in another cooking video. If you like this video, please hit the like button and please subscribe to my channel, and thanks for watching. Bye.